Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have T-bone steak.
T-bone steak
With asparagus and broccoli cheddar rice.
Damn. Asparagus nice. Seasoned.
Nice and seasoned, right? I knew you would like it.
I know. You know what I like.
Thank you for the napkin. And family, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today. You guys had two, and I'll give you an outfit of the day maybe tomorrow. I don't know.
It all depends, you know?
It all depends. It all depends. Listen, you know what I mean?
Okay.
There's no outfit of the day.
Okay.
Ooh, hot.
Hot. Rice hot. What on?
What in the world?
No bother with that right now. No, come. Right now, I have to eat up my good up steak, you know. Turn on the phone, yeah.
You do a thumbnail, baby love?
Oh, yeah, man. I love the thumbnail. Let me pick up my steak in my. No. Wait. Damn, come on.
Whoa!
It's the steak for me. Uh-oh. First it was the outfit for me, now it's the steak. Family. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is how I like my steak.
I might have to cut this up, my love.
Don't worry. Okay, while I show them, don't drop. Please, don't drop. Nice, tender, soft. It's the steak for me. What is T-bone? Yo, you could have for Megan and see what me here. But then look. First thing, you always chat that business. So yeah, what now? We have my gravy from the leftover seafood boil.
I gotta give Vincent a piece of my steak.
Yeah. Ooh, put it down. So that's my gravy.
Well, not really my steak. I gotta give Vincent a piece of the steak because, you know, I wanted the whole steak for presentation.
Yes, you saw it.
So.
Yes. Leftover. See? First they said, don't throw away your leftover.
I told you.
Yes, I'm hungry now.
Okay, family, so I gave Vincent his piece of the steak. Tamia said she doesn't want any steak today. If you have a problem, got to know.
Take
Here
asparagus.
goes barbecue sauce, baby.
Thank you.
Yes. So you like it, my love?
It's the steak for me. I told you that already. I love when First Lady make T-bone steak. Any kind of steak. First Lady be hooking it up. You feel me?
Come on, good.
It does. Grace in the building again. We had a
little two times spicy.
You still put that hot 2 times spicy thing.
Just a little
ass.
Just a little bit on the side to dip it in there. Let me tell you something. This sauce is good, but it messed me up. But I'm not gonna eat too much.
Family. See, I see a lot of shrimp in the gravy.
Ooh. I should have. That's like a surf and turf.
Surf and turf for my belly. Yes, that's how I like my steak big like that. I don't know. First Lady always cut up my steak, but I'm gonna bite it. This is good.
You have a story time for them today.
What?
You told them in the last video that you're gonna have a story time for them.
Right now, man, I can't tell when I'm eating, family. I can't tell when that was nasty.
Wait a minute. Every time you sit here, you're gonna be eating, honey.
Oh, my family, they don't want to hear that story, man.
Well, but a different one.
When the food almost done. Cause I know they probably eating too, and they don't want to hear that.
That's true. That is true.
Family. How y'all doing? You can see our current situation right now. You see our situation. I'm gonna give some of those. Damn, look, I don't have a cut. It's just falling off the bones. Damn. All right, take a little piece. There you go, with the gravy and everything.
Asparagus was cooked in the air fryer.
Yeah. Wow.
It cooked better to me.
I think so. Because
you don't have that big oven. And see how crispy it still is? That's what we love. We don't like soggy asparagus.
No, family. I'll give you the story later. Ain't not bad. You have to go. Yeah.
You think they can do it? I cooked
think
up my
so?
steak. Wait, yeah man. We don't know.
Tell him.
Later though. So we'll tell you later.
We tell you later. Big steak for a big person. That's how he does it. I don't cut my steak in. First thing he said. Oh. Black people juice again. Fruit punch this town. We already done, that's all I drink already. So might as well finish it. First thing they already tell, that's all I drink. Yeah, this is good.
This is a
With the
fat.
gravy? Oh, the fat is nice.
the fat is good.
Wow, that air fryer fried didn't look like that?
I just can't eat too much of it.
I thought you put it in the oven.
Because I noticed that in the oven, I feel like it takes forever.
Yeah? Yeah, air fryer work fast. You learn. You see how fast she learned? First thing-
Even though I burned up a couple of stuff.
Yeah, you burn up enough stuff, man, but it's good. That's how you learn. Take a big piece. See, like, ooh, nice.
Ooh,
What?
my food sounds spicy.
This is so soft. This is 2 times the spicy.
I just have water. Woo!
Kicking in?
Kicking in butter.
How do you like your steak? What? How you say now? Medium rare? Well done?
Medium well,
Medium well?
or well done.
Or well
Or
done?
rare.
Or rare? I like mine what?
Medium well.
Okay. I don't know. First lady put me on the steak.
This one,
I couldn't afford these steaks before. Now I'm eating them because of first lady.
this steak, it didn't come out medium well. But it's not well done either.
It's not.
Because it's nice and still juicy, has a juiciness to it.
Juice is soft.
So, but usually medium well, you see like a line of pink.
No, I don't like that.
That's what medium well is, honey.
I don't like that one there.
So, he doesn't know. Because when it's medium well, he eat it. Because you can barely see the pink.
What I mean?
But this one,
I just like whatever she making.
where this one, there's no pink.
So
But I took it off just before it get to like well done and get dried out.
I'm saying well done. Nowhere close to that. Watch out. Look at this. It's the steak for me, I told you.
You gonna eat that whole steak?
Watch me. Watch me and learn. Family. This is good.
How's the sauce with the steak?
Nice and free.
Right there.
Done.
Let's see, you put hot sauce over here? Oh, yeah, it's good.
I already
That
told
is
him
good.
already before you tell him.
You should have found more shrimp.
There was a lot more. I just didn't want to come and you said I messed up your presentation.
Oh, please.
Cause you know, look, you lucky I was gonna take on the fight. You took one of my shrimp, see? You see? It moves
It
slow.
was the mussel.
That gravy nice with it, right?
It still tastes good. It's really good.
Yep. Don't throw away nothing. So, let me eat, son.
I like to watch you eat.
Right.
I don't know. You enjoying your food?
Damn right.
I'm cooking.
That's one thing. Enjoy my food.
When I cook and you enjoy it, it brings me joy.
You know some enjoy.
What happened?
I bit my tongue.
Oh my gosh. You okay?
Damn. Yeah. So much goes on. Stop it. Okay, too much.
I'm gonna cut that out.
Why?
Then I'm too fast, man.
Sorry, I just bit my tongue, but it's okay. Nice.
Richie bite his tongue at least 5 times a week. And there's only 7 days in a week. Okay. Bleeding. Damn, son.
Leaking, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't need to eat no food.
Family? I don't care. I'm still gonna eat it. Pepper or not.
Oh yeah, because not a pepper goes in your tongue.
Well, mukbang dong. Be careful with. Care now.
Your problem that. Ooh,
Damn.
you chew too fast, my love. That's a problem for real.
Family. I bit my tongue big, yo.
Still bleeding.
Yeah, well, not that much.
Wow.
Not that much. It's alright. Excuse me. Family says still eat your food. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! I am. That's not stopping me. My tongue got cut off.
No, so even that's not gonna stop him.
They sell false thing for everything. I'll get a false tongue.
You know, I made all the asparagus.
You did? That whole big bag?
Yeah. I was gonna make just a little bit, like half the bag. And I was like, that's not gonna work because the way we love asparagus.
Yeah. Let me tell you. The fat. I agree.
No, that's
Two.
that. Ooh. Got 2 times spicy. I barely put any 2 times spicy, you know? Ooh.
Wow.
All my rice.
Five minutes one. Full?
No, not yet.
And pretty go. Yeah, I already know.
That means I'm full, right?
Yep. Yeah, I know when I'm gonna do that bone later. Don't judge me.
I didn't eat anything today. My first meal.
Yeah? My first meal too.
I had a couple of clementines. That's what you say? That's what you say?
Clementine.
Clementine? But this is my first meal.
Clementine slash cutie cues.
Oh, cutie cues.
Wow.
So soft. I barely have to even use my knife.
That's what I'm telling you.
Look at that.
It's soft. I know. What you say I like my steak,
But this part is a filet mignon side, that's why. And that side is a New York strip. Oh.
You sit there.
So you really eat the whole steak, no knife.
Why? What knife look good for? Knife make for cute people. You're not cute.
Well, I'm cute.
I heard you.
We're stush.
I get it off the muscle. You know I love steak.
Honey, what have you eaten that you really don't like?
I never eat the pork, so I'm not gonna like it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whew.
That one got in between the cut. That pepper got between the cut.
Oh. Don't put no more pepper though.
That's no more. That one snuck up on me.
Sounds like it, honey love.
I'm not in the story time since I'm almost done now.
You want to do your word of wisdom? Or after?
Word of wisdom.
That's very important. Important.
Word of wisdom, family. Before I tell you the story, because I'm already done now. Family. First
lady.
All right. Yeah, ready? Before you start to judge me, step into my shoes and walk the life I'm living. And if you get as far as I am, just maybe you will see how strong I really am.
Wow.
You like that one, first? You like that one?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it again. Cause first lady
Wow.
like that one.
That one hit me.
Yes. Okay. Before you start to judge me, step into my shoes, walk the life I'm living, and if you get as far as I am, just maybe you'll see how strong I am really.
Yep. I love that one.
Yes. All right, family. Let's get into the story time. This story time is how I nearly poo-poo by myself.
No. This story time is how Richie got the name Shitty Richie. Tell the truth.
Yeah.
Tell the truth.
That's how I got you. Shitty Richie. Yo, family. One day, we were going to Key West. You know what we're doing to Key West, right?
Fishing.
We go fishing. So we doing our regular routine. Driving. We stopped, got breakfast and everything, right? Ferdy always ask me, do you want to use the bathroom? You gotta use the bathroom. I'm the type of person that hold my pee for a long time.
That's not good.
I know that. I know it's not good, so don't. Come on now. I know.
Don't worry. Yes, I have drilled it in his head.
I hold my pee forever. Trust me. Okay? When I'm excited, I'm just excited. I just want to reach and just reach. So I just want to reach. Your mind afar, my youth. I just want to reach my destination and just get it. Cause where we fishing, we fish, as you can see. So we driving. We stopped, got bathed first. They said, "You sure you don't want to use the bathroom?" I said, "No, I just want to reach where I'm reaching."
Because there's no bathroom.
No bathroom yet. Yeah.
Where we go fishing at.
No bathroom.
So if you gotta use the bathroom,
sorry, ladies, no bathroom.
And you have to drive, 10, 15 minutes to go to Walgreens or McDonald's and use the bathroom. Okay, sorry, my love. Go ahead.
You good? That's the only reason. But they need to put a bathroom out there for a big place like those where everybody go fishing. But anyway, that's beyond the point. So now, reach your destination. First day they start pulling out the camera, start vlogging and saying we reach at such and such and this is how we. So I say, your first day, hold on. I soon come. There's always there's a bush over there, right? But I'm not the first one that go back there. I could tell because that look like it's a regular spot. It's a bush in the little boondocks. You know what I'm saying? And there's like water over there too, but it's like boondocks. I start taking this stuff to my trunk. I said, first lady, I'll be right back, yo. She said, where you going? I said, I soon come. Family, I heard. But one thing with us, we always have tissue, We come prepared. So family, I heard. I said, oh, snap, first what's wrong? I said, my stomach. She said, all right. So she did still recording, all right? So I said, I soon come. Family, I'm there walking, holding my stomach like this, and squeezing. When you squeeze, it takes a longer time to come out. So I'm squeezing and walking to the bush, squeezing. Oh my God. You see when I went in the bush, family? You know what I mean? As I said, I'm not the only one that go back there. It look like it's a regular spot. Me? I just went to my own bathroom over there. I just skipped some other spot and went to my own bathroom. You see? When I draw down my pants, oh my God. If I just stand up right there, I'd have let go of myself in front of First Lady on the camera. So now, I had to do what I had to do. Wash my hand in the water, had to sanitize my hand. Came back first, said, you really gonna cut one night bush? I said, what the hell you mean? You want me to shit on myself? I said, yo, hell yeah. She started laughing. And from that day, that's why she called me Shitty Richie. Family, you shit up yourself? I'm not gonna do it. So go Go on, talk.
So wait, I want to know. So I said to him, honey, we could have just went to the bathroom. He said, I wouldn't have made
I
it.
couldn't make it.
I wouldn't have
You
made
didn't give
it.
me a dip. But family, that ever happened to y'all?
Stop, Sashi.
That you have to let go one and you have to, you know what I mean? Drastic measures. But I said, family, that's like a regular spot for people. You know what I'm saying? Regular spot. I could tell. I go back there, I see brief, I see boxes, I see all kind of clothes back there. So family, I said, okay.
So other people should have been
Yeah,
too.
yeah. So I said, it's a bathroom then. Okay. So I use it, family. If I just start there, no, trust me, one more minute, I just shit myself. And I didn't feel it enough, family, till I reached. Cause you know, you're just anxious, and I said, damn. I didn't want to go fish. And when I heard it, I said, no, I'm not gonna make it.
I'm laughing because
I'm not gonna make it.
I'm laughing
I'm
because
not
Richie
gonna make it.
was like, he was in the middle
Yeah.
of taking stuff out the car. And he just went, oh, like that, like you know, like that face where you're like, wait a minute,
Yep.
something's about to go down.
Yep.
And I just started seeing him walking fast. I said, where you going? He said, I gotta use the bathroom. I gotta use the bathroom. I was like, oh my gosh.
I let go. I said, what? Not me, family. Me not shit for myself, family. I would have to get a ticket that day, but they had to ticket everybody else because I told you it's a regular. I'm saying? Appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all first lady. You did good today.
I was hungry.
If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. So make sure you subscribe and share.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Very important.
Very important. Very, very important. We're on our way to 3 million, son. so get us there. You know what I'm saying? No, real talk. It's the 3 million for we. But anyways, appreciate y'all. Real talk. First lady, talk to them.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
I'm waiting, boy. I'm gonna tear the bone off first lady. Go on, bud. Go on, bud. Feed the Louis Vuitton bag. Boss Mr. Rick Thailand before it a cost you have blue job. Hey, you think me easy? Who you are ramping? Me me wooing.
What gonna say to you? I put coconut oil in there.
God, right?
And the name is there.
The hell? Bye.